Hey everyone, it's Emily. I'm back with another video. And today I want to talk about the child tax credit direct payments that are due to um, Americans that have child dependents. Starting in July the 15th approximately, they will be sending out these direct payments via checks and direct deposits to Americans' accounts. And basically, you can opt out of this by going to the IRS portal that they have signed up now. They recently made it online where you can go and opt out of these child tax credit direct payments. Or you can do nothing and just receive your portion of your direct tax payments. So basically, this is an advance on next year's child tax credit. And I decided not to opt out because I could use the money now to actually get ahead. But I realized that getting these payments might affect my income tax for next year. But I am going to do the exact same thing that I was going to do next year, and that is to basically pay off my credit card debt and put some towards my emergency fund and some towards purchasing glasses for myself. So I just wanted to go ahead and do a video on this because I'm not sure if any other budgeters is budgeting this in, but I decided to go ahead and do a video letting you guys know what I plan on doing with these child tax direct payments. I realized that if I am going to take these payments, I need to make sure that I do the right thing with this money. So come next year, I'm not in a bind when I don't get that extra money in my taxes. I'm going to go ahead and get started and say that I am a low income earner, and I typically get back a decent amount in my federal income tax because I do have one child dependent. I have my taxes set up where I get more taken out of my checks, but now that last year, now that Trump came in, he fixed it where we'll get less taken out in taxes on our check, and we'll get more in our check. But I still pretty much broke even, and with my child tax credit, I still had a fairly decent federal income tax return. So with that being said, this year when they told us that we could get the advance 6 months from July to December, I decided to go ahead and not opt out. I'm going to go ahead and take my money now, some of my money now. And my daughter is 10, so she won't be getting the $300 a month. She'll be getting $250 a month. Okay, so that goes based on age. So for the month of July, I put down that I will receive $250. And what I would like to do with that $250 is to pay, I have 2 credit cards left to pay on. So I am going to pay Capital One, and I will owe them approximately $190 come July 15th. And I'll be paying that credit card off. And then I'll have some left out of that, and I'll put $60 towards my back to school cash envelope. So that's what I want to do with the $250 for the month of July. Okay, so I went ahead and mapped this up because I realized that the money that I will be getting, I needed to put it to good use. So I carefully thought about what I needed to use this money for, and so that's what I'm using it for July. For the month of August, I will receive $250 again. And I have one more credit card that I'll have to pay off, and that is Capital One, my second Capital One, and I will have a balance of approximately 700 then, and I will drop the whole $250 on that, which will bring down my balance to me owing them $450. Okay, so for this month of September, I will basically get $250 again, and I will use that $250 towards the balance on that Capital One card again, and that will bring down my total to let's see, $250. So $200. So if I put $250 towards it, it'll bring down my balance to $200. So for the month of October, I will put the $250 that comes in. I will put $200 towards that ending balance, and I will have that credit card paid off. So Capital One will be getting paid for September, and then Capital One will be getting paid for October, and that will pay that card off, and that will be my last credit card, you guys. So I'm working this thing. I'm going to work this thing. I'm going to do the right thing with the funds. I'm going to be very diligent about putting those funds towards those credit cards, so I can be finally credit card debt free. Okay, so I will have $50 left out of that direct payment, and I will place $50 into my emergency fund, which I will have $1,500 in emergency fund now, and that will give me $1,550, okay, in my emergency fund by then. So, and then in November, the $250 payment, I plan on using it for glasses. I need to get 2 pairs of glasses and an eye exam, and that generally costs me about $250. Okay, so the last direct payment that we will get will be in December. So I plan on taking the whole amount of $250 and putting that into my emergency fund, and that will bring my emergency fund to $1,800. So by then I will have $1,800 in my emergency fund. Okay, so I want to know, you guys, what do you plan on doing with your direct payments? Are you going to opt out? And if you are going to opt out of the payments, why? Leave a comment below explaining to me why. And then if you are going to take the direct payments, let me know what you plan on doing with that money down in the description box. I love to know and get feedback from you guys about what are y'all doing with your money. So yeah, I basically just gave y'all a breakdown of what I plan to do with the $1,500, because that will be the amount that I receive for her over the next 6 months, and I'll be getting $250 for the next 6 months. And I broke it down to what I'll basically be doing, and majority of it is paying off those last 2 credit cards that I have, as well as adding money into my emergency fund, as well as purchasing glasses that I have a big need for. So yeah, you guys, so don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I want to thank all of my new subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do so. I do videos on budgeting, cash envelope stuffing, and vlogs, and single mom vlogs as well. So over here we try to talk a little bit about different avenues of finances and whatnot. But I appreciate you guys checking out my video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week.